Hello, beautiful people. So today is going to be a very interesting video because I'm going to be destroying my dance studio for a year. So I know a lot of people are thinking, why, Sandra, are you crazy? You just built your own dance studio. Why are you doing this? Like, yeah, because I'm cutting things up so that more people can get to dance at home. Like, I know a lot of people are thinking, oh my gosh, Sandra, you're crazy. What are you doing? You just built the dance studio and now you want to destroy it? It's true. I think I am a little bit crazy sometimes, but okay, here's the thing. So in Singapore right now, I'm sure a lot of you guys already know, we are having our circuit breaker and it has extended. Oh yay, all the way till 1st of June. So the thing is, a lot of people do need a studio space at home. And I did actually speak to my team and everyone is like, okay, you know what? We think that it would serve more people if we were to cut up our dear dance floor, pass it to people who need it more at home because everyone has to stay at home to dance now. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the beautiful dance studio and send it all out to you guys. Alright, one last look at the beautiful studio. One more across the floor before we have no more dance mat, no more dance mat, no more dance mat. So for all of you guys wondering, no, that's only me here. And I'm gonna show you how wide our dance studio is. Okay, now that I'm done with all of the craziness, I am going to start cutting the dance floor. I've just managed to cut up the length of 4.5 meters and the width of 2 meters, and right now I am just going to clean it up a bit before I start to roll it up. Alright dancers, so as you can see it is getting a little bit dark right now and I am finally done with wrapping this whole thing up. Oh yeah. This dance mat here is actually for Shirley and Bernice and her whole family. So I'm going to go over to them later today so that they can continue with their dance classes at home. Let me just show you how tall it is. That is how tall it is. It's pretty damn tall. I hope that you have enjoyed watching our dance studio being ripped apart. Oh gosh. We are actually back to square one. So I know a lot of people are thinking like, oh my goodness, like where are instructors going to teach after this since you are actually You know, this whole dance mat. We are actually going to replenish this, of course, so that by the time we can reopen, we can actually put it back up and classes will resume as normal. Look at here. Nice, pretty, and here. If you have any questions regarding our dance mats, feel free to let us know. This is the 3.5mm dance mat that we have in light gray and also my favorite color. So I'll see you soon. Take care and bye. Just gonna let down the craziness of this hair. Yeah. Oh yay.